Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and enable your Notifybuddy app on Android. So first you need to go to Google Play Store, then press on the search button right here and start writing Notifybuddy like so. Search for it and it should be this app. Now press install. Now my phone actually is scanning the app for any unwanted software, but you might not have it. I'm gonna press open. And here you will have a briefing for the app, and you will need to grant free of the permissions. You need to scroll it to the right like this, and you'll need to grant free of the permissions and disable the battery optimization. So let's get to the first one, and we're gonna press grant and select Notifybuddy and just enable it like that. It will ask me that I'm in danger, but there shouldn't be any problem with this app, so it's fine to say okay. Now we're gonna go back and you see it lights up in green. Now we're gonna go to another one, grant. And here you might have a lot of applications, so we'll need to find the Notifybuddy. It's right here for me. I'm gonna enable that. And now battery optimization disable. Select Notifybuddy and save power. No restrictions. And now we're gonna go to the next. And from here you can set the apps you want notifications for, but I'm gonna explain more about that in the next video. So hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.